A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all have completed your worksheet 1. Today we will start with our next topic, that is reciprocal of rational numbers. To make this topic interesting, let us have some activity. Students, consider some rational numbers. Suppose you let 4 by 7, 2 and 2 by 7 to the power 3 as rational numbers. Now, what should we multiply to 4 by 7, 2 and 2 by 7 to the power 3 respectively to get 1? What you'll do? If you multiply 4 by 7 and 7 by 4, you'll get 1. How you'll get 1? The numerator 4 get cancelled with denominator 4 and numerator 7 get cancelled with denominator 7. Hence similarly, you can see when you multiply 2 by 1 by 2, you'll get 1 again. Hence, you can think that 7 by 4, 1 by 2 and 7 by 2 to the power 3 should be multiplied to 4 by 7, 2 and 2 by 7 to the power 3 respectively to get 1. Students, this gives us new vocabulary word, that is reciprocal of rational numbers. Reciprocal of rational numbers. Two non-zero number a by b and b by a are reciprocal of each other because when we multiply a by b to b by a, I will get 1. Simply we can say to find the reciprocal of any rational number, we will interchange the integers in the numerator and the denominator. That is, we will interchange numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Reciprocal of x is denoted by x to the power minus 1. Now students, kindly note that 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocal because whenever you multiply 1 with 1, you'll get 1, and whenever you multiply minus 1 with minus 1, you will get 1 itself. Hence, 1 and minus 1 are their own reciprocals. 0 has no reciprocal because there is no number which when multiplied to 0 gives us 1. Hence we can say reciprocal of a by b to the power n is b by a to the power n, where a and b are non-zero. Also we can write a by b to the power minus n because negative power in the rational number always denote reciprocal of that number. Hence, I can say a by b to the power minus n is equals to b by a to the power n. Let's do worksheet 2, question number 1. Find the reciprocal of each of the following. Second part. Reciprocal of minus 9 to the whole power 4. As discussed earlier, to find the reciprocal of any rational number, we will interchange numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator. Here I can write minus 9 to the whole power 4 as minus 9 by 1 to the whole power 4. Now after interchanging, I'll get 1 upon minus 9 to the whole power 4. Because the denominator is having negative sign, so I can shift this negative sign to the numerator. Hence, I'll get minus 1 upon 9 to the whole power 4 as reciprocal of minus 9 to the whole power 4. Fourth part, reciprocal of minus 3 by 7 to the whole power 7. In this case also, students, we will interchange the numerator to denominator and denominator to numerator, and power will remain as it is. Also, we will shift the denominator negative sign to numerator and we will get minus 3 by 7 to the whole power 7 reciprocal as minus 7 by 3 to the whole power 7. Kindly note student, you can also apply the reciprocal of a by b to the power n is equals to b by a to the whole power n. This formula we have studied in our previous slide. Now, sixth part, reciprocal of minus 8 upon 13 to the whole power 99. The answer is equals to 13 upon minus 8 to the whole power 99, which gives us minus 13 upon 8 to the whole power 99. Eighth part, reciprocal of 2 into 3 in 2 by 3 into 9 by 4. Whenever such type of questions will come, first we will solve this expression. Here I can cancel 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9 and 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. The rational number comes out to be 3 by 2, and to find its reciprocal we just interchange the numerator as well as denominator. So reciprocal of 3 by 2 is 2 by 3. 10th part, reciprocal of minus of 7 by 8 to the power 2 is, I can change 7 by 8 to the whole power 2 as 7 by 8 to the whole power minus 2, because we are finding reciprocal, which is equals to minus 8 by 7 to the whole power 2. Also, I can expand this power and write minus of 8 by 7 into 8 by 7 and multiply the numerators with numerator and denominator with denominator, and I'll get minus 64 by 49 as my answer. Dear students, this is worksheet 2. Complete the rest of the part of worksheet 2 as your homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.